Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to obtain a 300% bonus on your first deposit in 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your menu, then to settings at the upmost right. Once you're in settings, scroll down and log out of your account. Once you've logged out, go to registration, choose the registration method of your choice, fill in all the information asked to you, and at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code will give you a 300% bonus at your beginning, at your first deposit, which implies that if you deposit 10,000, you're going to get 40,000 at your first deposit. That was all for this video.